what's up guys? So check it out, 2024 Blue Collar Tour. We just rolled in here to Kofa High School in Yuma, Arizona. The sun is out, it's beautiful. We finally got out of the snow. I'm feeling great. There's a bunch of kids in there getting ready to weld with us. So dude, let's get this thing rolling. Let's go weld with the boys and girls at Kofa here in Yuma, Arizona.
I was working at a cattle farm, locally welding cattle pins, and they asked me if I wanted to substitute for this welding program. I absolutely loved it, and I actually went to this program that I am now teaching at. They've been told college, 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 which is fantastic for some, but not for all. Having opportunities like this with the Blue Collar Tour shows students that there are other opportunities that is not college. I show them and introduce them to different trades, introduce them to their union so they have the ability to look at going straight into work. I also have opportunities with different trade schools so they can see what other opportunities are out there and where they are, because a lot of our students have never left Yuma, so they don't know what's out there, and having those opportunities really open their eyes to see what they can do.
If it wasn't for Mr. Smart right here, we wouldn't be here. So everybody give him a round of applause! You are inspiring the next generation. This is your hero, okay? This is the guy you need to look up to. He's gonna teach you. He's gonna encourage you. So thanks again so much, Mr. Smart. You guys are the heart and the soul of this city, this state, and this country. You guys are heroes. This country needs blue-collar trades. We need the plumbers to run the water. We need the electricians to run the electricity to your house. You need the carpenters to build the house. And of course, ultimately, the welders to hold the whole country together! Blue-collar tour 2024!
Kofa, you guys absolutely killed it. Mr. Smart and everybody here was just incredible. The energy in this place was amazing. As usual, Yuma, Arizona, you guys threw down here at Kofa. I'm super proud of you. We're gonna roll this bandwagon up and we're gonna head down to Mesa, Arizona next. So if you're watching this, stay tuned. Mesa, we'll see you soon.
So be inspired, learn to weld, learn to trade.
Let's build America!